In this video, I will show how to create pie graph in Microsoft Excel. So if you have data and you want to create, so select, then click on insert, and here you will see the option charts. Select here and here 2D pie or 3D pie. So select any type of pie. Adjust the size, drag and drop. Also guys, here once you select it in plus icon, so there are some more options like chart title. You can add or remove. You can add or remove data labels. Also, you can add or remove legend. Then change style. If you see is not appear properly, so change the size. So this way guys, you can create pie chart in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.